fellow Ugandans, especially the Bazukuru, on Tuesday, May 6, 2025, the NRM party will conduct elections for internal party structures and for LSU1 flag bearers across the 72,000 villages nationwide. During this event, we also hold barazas in every village to achieve the following. Number one, audit our voter registers by reading out the names of registered members and removing those who have passed away or have relocated to other places. Number two, correct any mistakes to ensure the accuracy of our registers. Number three, update information by adding phone numbers, NIN numbers, etc. to the registers, so that Museveni, the name is there, but also his telephone number and his national identity card number. 4, utilize the baraza as a village electoral college for electing party leadership structures and LSU1 flag bearers. So the village assembly will now elect, although they have used the word electoral college here, actually it will be direct elections, because everybody will vote. It will be one person, one vote. Voting will take place by lining up behind your preferred candidates or their portraits. Please note that proxy voting is not permitted. You cannot have someone else vote on your behalf. You must be present to vote in person. I urge all the Bazukuru and NRM leaders to actively participate in the barazas within their villages. All NRM members should arrive at their village centers by 10 a.m. on May 6, 2025 to engage in these activities, which would take place from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. saa 4 za asubuhi mpaka saa 8 mchana. Further details will be provided by the NRM Electoral Commission. I will personally be in Rwampara village, where Mama will attend in Ntungamo, Irenga, to assist in verifying our respective NRM village registers. And in order to facilitate this, I cancelled the cabinet meeting of tomorrow, and I agreed with the Speaker also to postpone the Parliament of Tuesday, parliamentary sitting. Thank you, and I wish you all good luck.